𝗖𝗄𝗄𝗻𝗁. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a pretty chill day because what we're going to be doing is carrying out a simple repair, hopefully, and we're going to be applying some more decals to the car because why not? Decals are cool, and the car it looks very black and silver. So yeah, we want to add a bit more color to that. So yeah, firstly, what we're going to be doing is replacing the driver's side sun visor because my mum decided it would be, oh crap, the door's locked. Just give me a second. My mum decided it would be a good idea to actually snap the sun visor clean off, as you can see, compared to that one, sun visor, no sun visor. So yeah, we need to get this repaired. It's a pretty easy fix. We just have to, we have ordered a new one and we're gonna fit it in, and yeah, simple. And as for the second mod, what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be applying some pretty cool German decals like over here, just to add a bit more color to the side, because as you can see, it's a very black and silver car and there's really no color to it. So yeah, I want to add a bit more color, and let me just show you guys the decals real quick. Right, so we've got the decal. As you can see, it's literally just the German flag on a strip. I think it looks pretty cool and it will add some nice color contrast to the side of the car. And yeah, we got two of these. One will go on either side, and hopefully it will make it look a bit more interesting. But firstly, what we're going to do is repair the sun visor. So as you can see, what we've got is a brand new sun visor. Our tools, one of these which just holds these, really not good with the names. We've got I don't know why that's there. I don't know why this is here. We won't be needing this because I'm gonna be using a different screw because I actually lost the original one. So we're gonna be using this instead. As you can see, where's the screw? We're gonna be using this, which I literally found from my garden because I lost the OEM one, but it should still work. And yeah, let's get on with it. Oh, come on. Alrighty, so what we're gonna do first is just start the car up so we can admire some nice engine sounds. Oh, sounds good, doesn't it? We've got the pretty cool RGBs. I don't know if I've actually made a video on them, but pretty sure I have, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty shit. Give it a little bit of a rev. Sounds good. But yeah, we'll get started with this. Let me just close that. We'll do a face reveal at 10k. So as you can see, we've got a wire here, but our car, obviously as it's the shit spec, we don't actually have a light. I mean, I'm guessing a light would have been here, but we can't afford a light. So yeah, we're just gonna stuff the wire inside and basically screw it on. It's that simple. Right, so as you can see, we've gone and fixed the driver's side sun visor. Pretty easy. Just put one screw there, put the new one in. And yeah, now onto the decals. Right, so we've got the decals there. And what we're also going to be needing is some cleaning products, or ideally,
Isopropyl
rubbing alcohol, because apparently these are super good at cleaning. So if you guys haven't seen already how I stick the decals on, I'll leave a link in the comments down below where you guys can find my video, where I'll show you how to stick on decals such as that and the ones in the rear properly, the proper way. So yeah, I want to get those stuck on and I'll catch you guys in a bit. So there has been a change in plan. My mum needs the car, so I thought I might as well be a good kid and get the car ready for her. So yeah, I guess this is the first time you guys are going to be seeing me drive. Oh, there's someone there. Alright. Right, so now we're gonna basically choose where we want to stick the decal, and I'm thinking it will look pretty cool just over here, just like that. So yeah, what we're gonna do now, take out the packaging and get it stuck. Great, so we stuck it on. Just now with your finger, just run along the whole decal, nice and firm. Great, so now that you've done that, what you want to do is grab one edge and slowly you want to peel it off, making sure that it doesn't take the actual decal out with it. And as you can see, it leaves a beautiful decal imprinted onto the car. There you go. Whoa. Oh my god, you know what? That looks sick. I'm actually gassed. Yo, I'm fully gassed. Yeah, that tiny little decal has made quite a big difference. It just makes the whole side profile of the car a little bit more interesting. So yeah, what we're gonna do now, get the other decal and basically replicate what we've done here on the other side. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. As you guys can see, we have finally installed both decals on both the sides, and I'm absolutely loving how it looks. It's a subtle, very subtle mod. Just a decal with a German flag on it. I mean, it's a Volkswagen, so yeah, it's very subtle and it adds a bit more colour to the whole side profile of the car. And yeah, I'm really digging it. I think it's really good. It matches with the whole vibe of the car. Nice, clean, subtle. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and if you have any more suggestions as to what else I should do to the car. I've got some other stuff coming up which you guys will see in the future. I'll give you a clue. One of them is supposedly meant to help aerodynamics, but I highly doubt. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a lovely half-term holiday, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
You give me love, one thing. You making these small boys sing.